beginning, the air was pure, clear, and fragrant. The ocean, sea, rivers, and streams had clear, cool, clean water. The earth was pure, green, and lovely. We were content with the primal elements. Air, water, earth, and fire, which we were able to live using these elements. But what have we done?
My children, it saddens and pains me greatly to see how you're hurting me, poisoning me, and destroying me. You are killing me. I, who have given you life, do you not know that in destroying me and killing me, you are also destroying and killing yourself? Almighty Father, forgive us what we did to our environment. We are not good stewards of our inheritance, for allowing it to be spoiled in the hands of the wicked, who cut trees and pollute the air, land, and water. We are insensitive of your mighty presence. We abuse the bounty of Mother Earth and deprive next generations of God. Our environment has been used. We have been destroying and exhausting it without realizing what is happening. Therefore, we must do what we can to save nature before it's completely destroyed, leaving us with nothing to cherish. It's coming! Disaster comes in the least expected time. If one is prepared, he is protected, and he can be saved. Now! Now is the time! Ikaw!